The United States Department of State has put back a statement that it does not support Taiwan independence in the latest update of a fact sheet on U.S. Taiwan relations, the removal of which on May 5 triggered a strong protest from Beijing. The latest version of the fact sheet, published, states that we do not support Taiwan independence, a phrase which had been included in the fact sheet since at least 2018 before it was removed from the previous version on May 5. We oppose any unilateral changes to the status quo from either side. We do not support Taiwan independence, and we expect cross-strait differences to be resolved by peaceful means, the fact sheet read. Meanwhile, a statement that the U.S. maintains our capacity to resist any resort to force or other forms of coercion that would jeopardize the security, or the social or economic system, of Taiwan consistent with the TRA was added to the updated fact sheet. The fact sheet was updated to reflect U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken's speech on May 26, speech about the U.S. approach toward China, the spokesperson said.